Welcome to Quick Bites with TA. Today we're going to be making pepperoni pizza rolls. To make this, we're going to need store-bought pizza dough, pizza sauce, shredded mozzarella cheese, and toppings. Today I'm using pepperoni. To begin, we're going to roll out the pizza dough on a nice floured surface. Roll out into a rectangle of dough about 1/4 of an inch thick. When it looks like this, you're ready to go. Spread a thin layer of sauce all over the pizza dough. Sprinkle with mozzarella cheese. You want to be pretty generous with this. It'll make it all extra ooey gooey. And top with your toppings of choice. In this case, with pepperoni. Now it's time to roll. Start by just folding the edge over just like this to get it started. Little by little. You might need an adult to help you with this. Place onto a parchment-covered baking tray. And refrigerate for 20 minutes. While it's in the refrigerator, you're going to want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Once the roll is chilled, it's ready to be sliced into 12 equal pieces. Put into a greased 9x13 baking pan. Sprinkle with mozzarella cheese. Don't worry if there's space between them. They're going to expand and fill the pan as they bake. Time for the oven. We're gonna bake these for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown on top, like this. Give them 10 minutes to cool and then they're all ready to enjoy with your favorite marinara dipping sauce. This has been Quick Bites with TA. See you next time.